Tonight we have a free class. More details on that a little later on. My name's Des Woodruff. It is Wednesday, January 8th, 2014. And the markets in the day mixed. We had the S&P down just a mere fraction. So we got a big fat doji today. Dow down 0.41% with the NASDAQ up 0.3%. The Russell's at break even. The banks up a mere fraction. Volatility index dropping yet again, down 0.4%. Gold up by 0.6%. Silver up by 1.5%. Crude oil up by 1.25%. With the U.S. dollar up 0.21%. Dollar has been going higher due to the economy here in the United States doing better. Speaking of that, Fed came out today basically saying they do plan on keeping on track with their tapering plan going into the future, but they are paying a lot of attention to the economy and how that will affect the economy. So they are taking it quite seriously. Anyway, transportation index in positive territory with the Dow being down, showing a little bit of strength there. Utilities index down about 0.5%. Take a look here at the S&P 500. The problem with today's action, gang, is we should have gone higher. We didn't get that. We stalled out. So here we have this nice run higher. We have a little bull pullback. If I do a Fibonacci retracement, we're going to be that pullback, man, right at the 23 mark. So probably went down to about 25% Fibonacci. A very bullish place to actually bounce. We start to bounce. After the pivot candle, we should have had a nice candlestick today. We didn't get that. So it's showing uncertainty out there in the markets. So I would say be very careful. If you go here to the weekly chart, we're still going sideways here, not too bad, but wow, I just have this sneaky suspicion we are teetering on thin ice right now. Gold, a little bull pullback to the flat line 20-day moving average. Look for upside potential. Silver, the problem with silver is we gapped down below a line that we should have stayed above. So we have to fight back through that. We need to fight and get higher than that, and it needs to happen quickly. Apple was up, but you see this low base starting to make. It should have taken off. It did not do it today. Even with the NASDAQ being higher, Apple is obviously the largest in the NASDAQ, and this security just is hanging out down here in the lower echelon. Facebook was up 0.5%, trying to fight the resistance. It's staying up there fighting it, but I'm telling you, that's going to be a hard area to break. Google was up 0.21% at an all-time high at $1,141. And I did check my records. I do not hold Google, so that is not a position that I'm holding at this moment. LinkedIn was down 0.3%. But I'm telling you, this is probably a low. $200 is probably a low for LinkedIn. Microsoft, I said stay away from it, and is down a whopping 1.8%. Again, just horrible. Twitter was down a whopping 3.53%. Yesterday's video, I said I do not like this at all, and today, boom, down another 3.53%. But we did find support here. I'm looking for a bounce going into tomorrow. All right. So a couple things I want to share with you. One, on Facebook. A lot of you guys go to Facebook. I'm going to bring mine over from one of my multiple screens here. So let me drag it all the way over. So this is our Facebook page. You can see we have 5,600 people that like this. But if you go here, you can see that we have a free webinar tonight. It's an online class on candlestick reversals. If you do not get signed up, you will get an email, and you will be able to buy the recording for $7. So you can take it free tonight, or just $7 for the recording later. But here's the other cool thing. If you go down here to the Dunce Hat guy, this is a video of yesterday's video. If you watch that video, there's, I don't know, a half dozen, 6 to 8 questions inside the video. It's super cool. So click on that, rewatch the video. It will pause itself and ask you a question and see how you do. It's a really cool thing. Something else, just in case you don't go to Facebook. So I know some people do not do that. If you go to the website, you can go right here to click on the candlestick reversal pattern. Go there. You can get signed up for tonight's program. It's at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There you have it. Catch you later.